Enw fi yw Karen Griffith, a fi ydy'r rheolwraig maes rhaglen sy'n gyfrifol am Gwyddoniaeth Gymhwysol yng Ngholeg Menai, Bangor. Rydym yn cynnig diploma lefel 3 BTEC mewn biowyddorau, sy'n rhaglen 2 flynedd, sy'n cyfateb i wneud 3 safon uwch. Mae'r rhaglen yn gymysgedd o unedau bioleg a chemeg yn bennaf, gyda rhai agweddau perthnasol ar ffiseg sylfaenol. Byddwch yn gallu cael mynediad at gyfleusterau sy'n berthnasol i'ch diploma, fel labordeb arbenigol ar gyfer gwaith ymarferol. Bydd gennych hefyd fynediad i amrywiaeth o gyfleusterau llyfrgell a sesiynau galw heibio cymorth, ac yn egur i helpu chi i fod yn llwyddiannus wrth i chi astudio. Fel rhan o'ch rhaglen dysgu, bydd cyfle i gymryd rhan mewn nifer o weithgareddau eraill, fel clywed gan siaradwyr gwadd, ac ambell gyfle i ymweld yn ogystal i'ch helpu i ddysgu am wyddoniaeth mewn lleoliadau galwedigaethol ymarferol. Fel rhan o'ch rhaglen lefel 3, mae yna cyfle i ymgymryd â lleoliad profiad gwaith ffurfiol mewn lleoliad galwedigaethol biowyddonol. Pan fyddwch yn gorffen eich cwrs biowyddorau, byddwch yn barod i wneud cais i'r brifysgol, neu i gael gwaith mewn labordy. Mae myfyrwyr blaenorol wedi mynd ymlaen i astudio ystod eang o ddisgyblaethau biowyddorol, megis gwyddor biofeddygol, gwyddoniaeth forensig, radiograffeg, a bioleg a chemeg gymhwysol. Mae eraill wedi llwyddo i ennill prentisiaethau neu gyflogaeth, enghraifft gyda labordau'r gwasanaeth iechyd lleol. Diolch am ymuno â ni heddiw. Os bydd angen rhagor o wybodaeth am ein cyrsiau, edrychwch ar ein gwefan. Yn awr, rydym am glywed gan un o'n cyn-fyfyrwyr yn siarad am ei brofiadau yn y coleg.
My name's Haled and I'm studying BTEC Applied Science Biomedical. I decided to come to college because I've got a massive interest in science, especially like biology. As part of the course we do a lot of practical work, which is something you don't really do in the school, so it is something quite a bit different. And we've done a lot of chemistry practical work. Like the first one we did a lot of titration, so that was 5 different experiments that was just for one assignment. And now we're doing our third one, which is chromatography. So we look at the way different amino acids and pigments separate from each other when they're going up the chromatography paper in a solvent. The facilities are really good, like it helps you a lot to be independent when you have to learn a lot of the work by yourself. But the teachers do help quite a lot. They use different styles of teaching to suit everyone. And with doing a BTEC, we do a lot of assignment work. So it's more coursework based than exam based, which is really good. Since starting college, I'm a lot more aware of my work because it's more assignments. I put a lot more effort into it because I know I can do well in the assignments compared to all the pressure from just one exam at the end of a year. Once I finish this course, I plan to take a year out and go travelling and just get a lot of work experience before I go to uni. And when I go to uni, I want to do forensic science. My advice to anybody thinking about coming to college is, if you like doing work independently and depending on what type of courses you're doing, if you're more of a coursework type of person rather than an exam person, then it is really ideal.